Welcome to MSV South Manchester, a premier residence where style and comfort come together to create your perfect urban retreat. Step into a world of modern elegance with a diverse selection of chic studios and practical en-suites. Each space is thoughtfully designed with a plush bed, a comfy lounge, and a dedicated desk, plus high-speed Wi-Fi to help you ace your academic game. But that's just the beginning. Live life to the fullest with a fun social events calendar and challenge your friends to a game of table tennis. With on-site CCTV and all utilities included, you can focus on enjoying your life without any extra hassle. Ideally located near the University of Manchester and Alliance Manchester Business School, your academic commitments are just a short trip away. With time to unwind, indulge in a coffee from Blue Nile Cafe or savor a meal from My Lahore, Manchester. Plus, with excellent transport links right at your doorstep, exploring the city and beyond is effortless. Don't miss your chance to experience upscale living at MSV South Manchester. Visit amberstudent.com today and discover your new home where modern living and vibrant community life come together seamlessly.